Alright, so this question is a classical sector question. Classical. If you bring in a sector question, the chances of it coming very similar to this is high. And this is the last part of question 1 in paper 3. I did the first part already, so you can just look for that. And this is the paper 3 from this year, 2020, June, July. Well, you know, the exam was postponed or pushed back a little bit. Now, paper 3, real stingy with the marks. CSEC real stingy with the marks in paper 3. It's not as easy to come by as in paper 2. And maybe about 10 of those marks would be dedicated towards measurement style question, as we have been seeing in the last few papers. So this question, classic sector question, you need to find the area of the slice of the pizza. You use the formula for sector. Area of sector is theta over 360 pi r squared. You can take a read of the question, substitute, make sure you calculate in degrees. You will get this if you're using the Casio calculator that I recommend, and you just press SD to change it into the decimals. 1 decimal place seems fair enough for this question. And the next part of the question, remember I told you this is classically how it happens. So right, you see there's a shaded region right there. There's a shaded region right there. So that's what we're going to find in the next part of this question. So let's see the shaded portion of the slice of pizza. And to find that, let's just go back a little bit. You're going to find the area of the triangle. You already have the area of the sector shaded. It's in blue here. Color coded, you know. So when you find the area of the triangle and area of the sector, you subtract and you'll be able to find the area of the shaded region. The only thing you should realize is that this is not the usual area of triangle formula. This is half AB sine C. And it's like the second formula we learn in CSEC maths for finding the area of a triangle, because you don't really have a base or a height in this case. You have two sides and an angle sandwich in between. So your final answer is going to be approximately 9 centimeters squared. And that brings us to the end of this question. Go back and check the first part of this question, if you haven't already. Feel free to like, subscribe. I'm going to do the next question soon, so look out for that, and that'll bring us to the end of this paper 3.